The amount of welds the Vectis Cobot has done so far from the time that we put it into service till now, it's done probably a little over 1 million. We actually bought a second machine to use as a failover in case we had a problem with the current one. It's about 2 years, 7 months, but it's never failed. It's never been on break for 45 minutes and we don't know where the heck it ran off to. We were definitely surprised the Cobot was as robust as it is. It has a bunch of actuating joints on it. Our experience has been that anytime you have servos combined with repetitive motion, something is going to break sooner or later. And we really fully expect it to have it serviced every 6 months or so. We haven't had to have it serviced once.
Centerline Brackets produces heavy-duty supports that will be used for countertops, shelves on walls.
You make one small mistake, you snap the countertop and a piece of granite that weighs 40 pounds is about to hit your foot or chop your dog in half or something. There's a lot of robotic welders out there, and we did look at some of them, but Vectis had added a bunch of cool little tweaks to theirs, and the capabilities of the Cobot were unique.
The Cobot gives us that ability to repeatedly produce the same quality, just adds to our claim to be the best in the business.
We've got 4 products that the Cobot does. For it to be manually welded, it's 7 minutes to 8 minutes per bracket. With the Cobot, it's a minute or less. And so, huge, huge time saver. The Cobot plays a role in competing with companies from overseas simply by how fast it moves. It makes it easy to make things in America.
The Cobot has enabled us to meet our commitment to customers for same-day shipment on orders placed by noon. That is invaluable and has given us a great reputation in the industry for being able to deliver on our promises.
The ROI on the Cobot was surprisingly quick. I had thought, yeah, we'll make our money back on it, it'll pay for itself in a year. It paid for itself within a little less than 3 months. It's like the easiest money I've ever made. It gave us the ability to pay our employees a good chunk more than they were making before. Now, with 2 welders in a Cobot, we do the same production that we were doing with 8 welders before.
Our goal was never to eliminate any positions, but during COVID, turnover was a variable that we couldn't control. The Cobot just gradually took over those positions.
We used to be at the shop every night of the week till 7 or 8 o'clock. Now we are out of the shop by 3:30, 4 o'clock in the afternoons. We never have a problem that we can't simply fix by handing it over to the Cobot. From the time that we got the Cobot unpacked, assembled, put together, and programmed, running our parts, was about a half a day. Then to program the Cobot, I wanted one of my managers to be the machine expert on it.
I was nervous because I've never done it before. I didn't know what to expect. I mean, I weld by hand. I've never seen a robot. I've never used a robot. So I was absolutely surprised at how straightforward it was to program that robot. For somebody that doesn't have a computer background, anybody can do it. That's how easy it is. It probably took me a half a day to learn how to program it. You have your fixtures on the table, start your program, you set your waypoints, your starts, your ends, your air moves, and run your simulation, and that's pretty much it. Product change is probably less than a second. You just select the program and hit open.
The reliability of the universal robot and Vectis has been a win-win situation for us. And the follow-up and customer support to work with companies who take their commitment to their customers as seriously as we do is just a wonderful benefit that you can't put a financial dollar amount to.
If you're a manufacturer and you're sitting on the fence about whether to get into robotic welding, just go do it. And you'll be a believer just that fast.